Hi, myself Ravi Kumar, working as embedded programmer at Spyro Solutions Private Limited. The concept that I am here to explain is traffic information service based on vehicle ad hoc network. The main objective of this concept is to avoid traffic congestion on roads. There are many means for traffic congestion on the roads, such as unwanted waitings and not able to choose between the alternate paths. In the existing system, there are many means to intimate the drivers on the roads about this traffic congestion, such as traffic light controls and police patrols. But these systems are not flexible in real time. In our proposed system, we are making an ad hoc network based on inter-vehicle communications. The information about traffic has been exchanged between the vehicles. Let us take a look at a block diagram. This is the block diagram of any vehicle. For example, let us consider it as a block diagram for car A. It contains a key for intimation, traffic intimation, and an LCD for displaying the traffic information, and a ZigBee communication protocol which is used to update the traffic information to the information collecting center. This setup is similar to car A, and it is also similar. This is the setup of information collecting center. It consists of a controller with ZigBee, which acts as a transceiver, which receives the traffic information from the vehicles, and it keeps on spreading this information along the path. Let us consider a service scenario. Car A is car C is on the way to the destination. Car A is already passed through the destination, and it has met with some traffic. Car A has updated this information to the collecting center, and car B has chosen another path and it has not met any traffic, and it has updated this information also to the collecting center. Car C, on approaching this collecting center, will get that information through its ZigBee transceiver, and it will choose the right path to avoid congestion. This setup if this setup is implemented at junctions, it will avoid congestions. Thank you.